In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks' website. If you're not already signed up, go ahead and create an account. It's straightforward and worth setting up as you dive into financial management. If you do have an account, simply click on the Sign In button for QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the sign in page, enter your credentials. You'll see a prompt to continue, which you should select. If prompted, enter your password and continue again. Once logged in, you'll need to choose the relevant company file that you want to work on. Make sure you're accessing the correct account to ensure you're looking at the right financial data. When you're within your QuickBooks environment, navigate over to the Accounts section. From there, proceed to the Bank Transactions area. This is where you'll primarily manage and identify duplicate transactions. The first step here is to select the bank account you suspect contains duplicate entries. In the transaction list that appears, keep an eye out for transactions that share identical amounts, dates, and descriptions. These are likely duplicates. To tackle them, start by clicking on the Match/Categorize section. Review your transactions by checking both the Categorized tab and the For Review tab. You want to ensure that you're not just seeing duplicates in one view, but everywhere they might occur. Click on any suspicious transactions to view full details. This comparison will help you verify if you're dealing with a duplicate of the same bank transaction or just similar but distinct entries. Careful comparison is crucial here because you don't want to accidentally categorize a legitimate transaction as a duplicate. For those confirmed duplicates, particularly those in the For Review tab, select the checkbox next to these transactions. Once checked, choose the Exclude option from the Action menu. This action moves them out of your records, ensuring that your accounts remain accurate and uncluttered. Now, if you've realized that a transaction was manually entered and also imported via bank feed, you'll want to head to the Accounting section and then the Chart of Accounts. Find the relevant account, identify the manually entered duplicate, and proceed to delete this entry. This deletion helps maintain accuracy between your bank's records and what is reflected in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records are clean and concise, reflecting an accurate picture of your business finances. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more insights into QuickBooks and managing your business's financial health effectively.